Oh, you didn't cut through.
Yeah, no, I'm not done over here yet.
Okay.
Just want to make sure before we break it loose, but this side's good. And then we'll cut down here so we can take the outer shell off and then peel up the front.
It's not working.
No?
What does the inside of a 350Z look like?
Look at all this. Is this Bondo? What?
That's totally Bondo.
That is hella Bondo.
How? Here? Yeah, look.
Yeah.
This thing was bapped here too. Right here? No Bondo?
I mean, you can see it right here.
Terrace, give us a rundown. What's stage 2?
So we got the outer shell removed. This is the actual wheel well itself. And there's like a fat lip on it, so we're gonna try to get the lip off. And then we're gonna cut slits into it and then fold them up over and chop the excess. So that way these close up so there's no leaks if it rains or whatever. And then we'll weld it up. Oh, it almost cut my finger. So you'll see there's like holes in the firewall to the left. If you stick it in there.
That's what she said.
There you go. So what we want to do is fold this wheel well piece up to meet this piece so it closes the gap so water and dirt won't be getting into the cab because there's hella holes.
You should have done it. Hit it like a man. Yeah.
Get the inside as close as I can before I do the
Fold it up.
wrap around. Hey, it's actually working though.
It is working.
Smack the shit out of it, Terrence.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna have to fill that with some metal. Damn, that's some clearance right there. Alright, making some progress.
From a smokestack.